Gianna Yunus.
Valentino.
Oscar de la Renta gown.
Wearing custom-made dress from Armani Privé.
No,
I'm wearing Ralph Lauren.
Hamouri. He's a Jordanian designer.
Oscar de la Renta.
Rami Qadi.
Comfort.
John Mustafa Shah.
Velvet couture. Murad.
Hani البحيري. Wearing Zuhair Murad. Wearing Tony Ward.
Wearing for by Ahmed Fahmy.